All right, write it as a percentage. How do we convert between decimals and percentages? Remember this, down for the part, okay? So to convert from a decimal to a percentage, we go from the D to the P. How many steps is that? 2. Well, what does that mean? Why are we doing that? Because it's the same as here. We've got 0.4 as a decimal and want to bring it to a percentage. That means we just move the decimal once, twice. Fill in a 0 for that empty space, which means that 0.4 equals 40%. All right, see, it's slowing down. So we gotta be careful here. So we got 0.31. Again, convert to a percentage. So the decimal point goes once to the F and then to the P, which means 0.31 equals 31%. It makes sense because the word percent, personne, French, actually means per 100. So it's like, if we have 31 out of 100, 31%, that's the same as 0.31, right? It's the same as this, which is the same as this. 0.05. So what do we do here? Move the decimal place twice, just like before, same difference. And what do we have? Well, there's a 0 here, but we don't care about it because the decimal's over here. We don't have to put that 0 there. It's just 5%.